Today I'm going to share with you 2 of my secret ingredients to take your roast beef sandwich up a notch. But first, let's take care of the basics. Here I have my lovely piece of ciabatta bread, which I'm going to cut in half. Then I'm going to put a layer of butter on it and put it into this saute pan to toast. When it's nice and light brown, I'm going to take it out and let it cool. Once it's cooled, I'm going to put a layer of tomatoes as well as lettuce and then my roast beef. And now for the secret ingredient. But first, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and the bell down below. This is going to send you notifications for my future videos. Remember that subscribing is free. For the first secret ingredient, I have some sweet and sour red onions. To make these, you're going to slice a red onion in thin slices. Soak your red onions in cool water for about 10 minutes. Drain them, and then measure out about 2 cups of the sliced onions for your sandwiches. Sprinkle it with 1 teaspoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and then drizzle 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar on top. Let these set for a minimum of 1 hour and up to 4 hours before you add them to your sandwich. Secret ingredient number 2 is going to be this blue cheese spread. To make this, simply combine about a 1/4 cup of blue cheese, and I'm just going to mash this with 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Spread this on your top piece of bread and put your sandwich together. It's as easy as that. Hey, if you're in the mood for a great sandwich but still aren't sure what you want, go ahead and click on the video next to this one for more great sandwich ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and happy cooking, everyone!